Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen here. You know, I've really loved cooking healthy family meals with my air fryer, and I wanted to make it even easier than ever. So I'm introducing to y'all my 10-quart digital air fryer. It still has a single basket design that lets you cook larger portions, and I've even added 10 easy-to-use presets for some of my favorite dishes. Just place your food in the basket and select your preset. The digital display makes it very easy to see the time and temperature. Now, when your food is ready, it's gonna be crispy, juicy, and a whole lot healthier. I think you're gonna love just how simple it is to cook for your family. And I've even included 50 recipes to get you started. Love and best dishes, y'all.